Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go ahead and draw Toadette, or kind of a female, girl toad from Super Mario. Let's get started. Very simple, so follow along the whole way. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a curve for the bottom of the hat area. Just kind of make it, simple. It's going to be like a U shape for the face shape right here. Right there. Gonna go to the top, and I'm gonna draw maybe about this level right here. We're gonna start over here and over here. We're gonna start with that, the huge, like the mushroom-shaped toad hat that the toads have. Curve over here. Kind of looks like a marshmallow, in my opinion. Over here now. Like so. When you're doing stuff like this, you kind of just want like the general flow of the character. You don't really need to draw like it exactly, right? You just want like the general impression of it. So curve right here for the circle on this side, curve right here, and we draw a circle right in the middle. That one's gonna be the hardest one, so get it as best as you can. You can draw it like a little bit at a time until you get the circle. That's kind of an easy way to do it if you want. Yeah, let's go over here and draw the face. Coin right there. Kind of like a coin shape. Coin shape right here. Line across for the mouth. And a U shape underneath. Curve. And fill this in for the back of the mouth right there. You got that head so far. All right. Now, let's draw her body real quick, and then we're gonna draw the pigtails that she has. Gonna go right here now. Line down for her vest. Out for the lower part of the vest. Line right here for that pattern on the vest. Line right here up for the pattern on the vest. All right. Curve for the arm area, and then down for the rest of the vest. Curve in for the arm and down for the rest of the vest. Line over here. Line over here. Okay, for the arms. Gonna go out for the finger right there, the digit, like the pointer. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you like Super Mario or anything Nintendo related, or just the way I teach. Really helps out the channel, really helps the algorithm, and I'm posting 3 drawing videos per day. That's incredibly hard to do, and I really appreciate it. I really hope you can participate in that. I appreciate it. Down right here for the thumb. Back here. So now that we have that kind of claw hand, we're gonna draw a little finger back here. Down over here on this side. Outward for the finger, the digit right there. Digit on this side. Curve, curve. And curve right here. Right on. So far, so good. Let's go down a little bit more for the skirt area. Curve underneath and back here. All right. Line underneath for kind of the neck right there, like the bottom of the shirt or the dress. I'm not sure if we consider that dress. I think it's a big shirt. Curve underneath for the kind of the leg area. And big old feet right there. Huge, like a ball right there, almost like they're standing on, I don't know, like a bread loaf. Bread loaves, something like that. Right on. So far so good. We're doing really good. All right, hopefully you're following along pretty good. Let's throw in the big difference here. And it's gonna be the ponytail here. So pigtails, curve right there. another curve right here. And one more at the bottom right there. The biggest, well, the biggest of the three. And then that is gonna have circles on it as well. By the way, if you want, you have like a request for drawing a character, let me know. I can, absolutely create a, a lesson for you. Just let me know in the comments. It doesn't have to be a fancy comment or anything like that, but let me know. And I promise I'll reply to every single comment. Just all you do is write it, and I'll let you know when it happens. If I'll create a video and I will link it to you. I'll literally, in the reply, I'll probably, tell you it's going to come up soon. Or I would, literally just kind of link the actual video. So definitely request, yeah, really good stuff. Let's go over here to the cheeks. I'm going to draw a little circle right there, as light as I can, for the rosy cheeks. I think that is curve right here. I'm just drawing a thicker line around the outside contour of the character. The reason I want to do that is I think it just gives it a better look. Before I do that, don't forget, have this. I'm using an armadillo pencil case. This is a kind of pencil wristband where you can put all your stuff in as you're traveling. I use it all the time when I'm like drawing on site. And the cool part is this actually velcros to your hand, like so. It's like a case you can carry all your stuff in here. I use it all the time when I'm drawing out and about, or if I'm doing like caricatures. And the other cool thing about it is there's a magnet in here as well. And there's also this you can wrap around like a sketchbook on the outside of it. But anyways, that's at arm-adillo.com. I'll put the link below. It's been selling for 10 years. So go take a look at that. arm-adillo.com. All right. Let's go back to this curve right here. Continuing to, just like the silhouette, just continuing to kind of draw on that silhouette. Continue to curve. Line out over here. Pulling around this side, out, up over here. But yeah, something you should do every day is sketch. I know sketching is incredibly important. So definitely keep sketching because it's gonna help you control your hand. It's gonna help you with like lots of stuff. So it's gonna help you with dexterity. It's gonna help you with everything you need for drawing. So daily sketching of whatever you want is a really big deal. If you want to draw Mario, if you want to draw, if you want to draw like Sonic stuff, or just come to this channel. You can draw whatever you want with me, or you can just check out some of the videos or the lessons that I have on Skillshare. But yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff. Thank you so much. That is it. That is Toadette. We'll talk to you later, and I will see you very, very soon. Whoopsie daisy. I will see you very, very soon. But please, like I said, say how's it going. If you made it this far into the video, say hey, how's it going in the description. I'm sorry, in the comment section, and I'll say hi. Talk to you later. See you soon.